You don't need to have a million followers or a million skills to start $1 million business. And a big reason for this is that there are incredible AI tools that can do most of the work for you if you use them in a smart and strategic way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the simplest dropshipping store using AI. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to set up an online business in a way that's easy to manage and makes sense, even if you have zero experience. The tool that we're going to use today is Storebuild AI, a platform designed to take the frustration out of building a dropshipping store. If you're not familiar with dropshipping, it's one of the simplest ways to start selling online. You don't need to buy or store any products up front. Instead, when someone orders from your store, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. The tricky part has always been setting up the store itself, choosing products, designing the layout, and figuring out the tech side. Storebuild AI handles all that for you, leaving you to focus on growing your business. So, how does this all work? First, you'll want to head over to Storebuild AI using the link in the description. Once you're on their site, you'll see an option that says, Build My Free Store. That's your starting point. Click it and let's get to work. Step 1. Create a Storebuild account. The first thing you'll need to do is create an account. Storebuild AI will ask for some basic information, your first name, email address, and a password. Pretty standard stuff. Once you've filled that out, hit Create Your Free Account. At this point, you might be wondering, why would I trust a platform to build my store? It's a fair question, and the answer lies in what Storebuild AI offers. They provide a fully optimized Shopify store packed with trending products, a premium design, and support to help you every step of the way. It's not just a template, it's a professionally crafted store built to attract customers and make sales. Step 2. Pick a niche. Now it's time to choose your niche. A niche is simply the category your store will focus on. If you try to sell everything to everyone, you'll blend into the background. By narrowing down to a specific niche, you can target the right customers and stand out from the crowd. Storebuild AI makes this step easy by offering pre-selected niches like clothing, pet care, and tech gadgets. Let's say you're passionate about pets. If you pick the pet niche, the store will be set up in a way to attract people with pets. If you're not sure which niche to pick, don't worry. There's a Need Inspiration option to help spark ideas. Once you've made your decision, it's time to move forward. Step 3. Personalize your store. Next, you'll personalize your store by choosing a color scheme. This might seem minor, but it's actually a key part of branding. The colors you pick should match the feel of your niche. For example, if you're selling outdoor gear, earthy tones like greens and browns might work well. If it's tech gadgets, sleek blues or blacks give a modern feel. Storebuild AI offers a range of options, so just pick one that feels right.
The next thing to do is add your homepage banner. Think of this as the first impression your customers will have when they visit your store. Storebuild AI provides several options tailored to different niches. If you've chosen pet care, you might see banners featuring adorable dogs or cats. Choose something that grabs attention and speaks to your audience. When that's done, you're ready for the next step.
Step 4. Create a Shopify account. Shopify is the platform your store will run on, and it's known for being beginner-friendly, yet powerful. If you don't already have a Shopify account, Storebuild AI has you covered. There's a button to Register on Shopify, which takes you to their site. Shopify currently has a great offer, just $1 for the first month. That's more than enough time to get your store up and running. Sign up by entering your email address, create a password, and click Start Free Trial. Shopify will ask you some questions about your business, but you can skip most of them by selecting I don't want help setting up. Once you're in, you'll need to pick a plan. The basic plan works perfectly and is affordable for beginners.
With your Shopify account ready, it's time to link it to Storebuild AI. This is straightforward. Simply copy the URL of your Shopify store from the address bar, paste it into the Storebuild AI field, and hit save. This step makes sure that everything you create in Storebuild AI syncs seamlessly with your Shopify store. It's a small but really important step, so don't skip it.
Step 5. Add products to your store. We're going to use ZenDrop for this. ZenDrop is a tool that automates product uploads, so you don't have to manually input each item. When you activate ZenDrop in Storebuild AI, it integrates directly with your Shopify store. You'll be prompted to install ZenDrop, which takes just a couple of clicks. If you don't already have a ZenDrop account, you can create one during the setup process. ZenDrop takes care of sourcing products, setting prices, and even calculating shipping, saving you hours of work. Once ZenDrop is active, you can go back to Storebuild AI to finalize the process. At this stage, your store is nearly ready. The final step is to go live. Storebuild AI handles all the tedious work here, including uploading all the products, setting up the coding, and making sure that your store looks professional. All you have to do is click the Go Live button and let the magic happen. In just a few minutes, your Shopify store will be fully operational, stocked with products, and ready to start attracting customers. And that's it. You've just built a dropshipping store using AI. It's a process that might have taken weeks or even months if you were doing it manually, but with Storebuild AI, you can have a store up and running in a single afternoon. The best part is that you didn't need to show your face, build a social media following, or learn complex tech skills. You used AI to work smarter, not harder.
Step 6. Drive traffic to your store. Having a store up and running isn't enough. You need people to actually visit it. That's where marketing comes in. The goal here is to drive traffic to your store, and one of the best ways to do that is through social media. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube are amazing for promoting products, especially when you're working with a limited budget. If you're not sure where to start, here's what I recommend. Go on TikTok or Instagram and search for videos related to your niche. Look for posts that have gone viral. These are usually easy to spot because they have millions of views or likes. Pay attention to what's working in these videos. Are they showing off a specific product? Are they using a catchy hook? Are they demonstrating how something works? The idea isn't to copy these videos exactly, but to draw inspiration from them.
Once you've found a few viral ideas, think about creating your own version. If you're promoting a product from your store, it can help to actually get your hands on it. Buy a sample, film yourself using it, and showcase how it works. You don't need fancy equipment for this. Your phone will do just fine. The key is to make your video engaging and authentic. People can tell when something feels forced or overly polished, so don't stress about making it perfect. Just focus on being clear and relatable. When you've made your video, upload it to multiple platforms. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are all great options. Make sure to include a link to your store in your profile or video description so viewers can easily find it. This part is really important because without a clear path to your store, you're leaving money on the table. The great thing about this method is that it's incredibly scalable. Once you've got one product that's selling well, you can expand your store, add more products, and even start experimenting with paid ads if you want to. But even if you stick to free traffic through social media, you can still make a solid income if you're consistent and strategic. What niche will your dropshipping store be in? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos